Hello and good morning, all of you. In the last video, I have shown you how to convert this 24-hour clock into 12-hour clock and 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. So, in question number 1, it is given convert the following into 24-hour clock time. So, it is given in AM and PM. 12-hour clock is given. Now, you have to convert into a 24-hour clock. So, let's start question number 1A. So, it is question number 1A 1:40 p.m. So when you get PM, that means it is after 12 o'clock in the noon, right? That is called it is PM. So when you get PM, that means after 12 o'clock in the noon, then what you do, you have to add 1200 hours. Okay, first of all you will convert this into 24 hours. How? You simply write 0140 like this, then add 1200. Okay, so remember, when you add this 1200, whenever there is PM, okay, after 12 o'clock noon, then add this 0, then 4, then it is 3, and it is 1. So 1340. So the answer of this 1:40 PM is what? 1340 hours. Okay, this is the answer. So what you have to do, only you have to add 1200 hours with this time. So okay, so you have to write this time by deleting this without using these dots. Simply write this in 4-digit number and add 1200 with that number, then you will get the 24-hour clock time. So it is very easy. Now let's see question number B. Now again it is PM, that means you will add 1200 hours. Suppose first of all you write this 0530. Now add 1200. Now add it 0, 3, 5 plus 2, 7. It is 1. That means the answer is 1730 hours. Okay. Now question number C. In this question it is given in AM. Now no need to add 1200 hours like PM. Okay. So when it is AM, that means it is before 12 o'clock noon. So no need to add any 1200 hours here. Only you have to convert this in 4-digit number like this, 1112 hours. That is simply writing without giving the dots. Simply write the all digits. So it is converted into hours. So this things happens when the time is given in AM. Okay. Now this will take again one G number AM. Now here see G number 2:06 AM. It is again before 12 o'clock noon, so no need to add 1200 hours. Simply write the 4-digit number without using these dots. So write 02, no dot, here write 06. It is hours. So very simple. Okay, understood? So here I have solved. You will solve D, E, F and H in your homework. Okay. Now let's see question number 2. Convert into 12-hour clock. Now it is given in 24-hour clock. You have to convert in 12-hour clock. So let's see. So in this question 2 number 0545 hours given. So you have to convert in AM or PM, 12-hour clock. So how to identify it will be AM or PM? So when you see the first 2 digits is less than 12, okay, the first 2 digit is less than 12, then no need to subtract the 1200 hours. Okay, simply write the number as it is. So you will write here 5, give the 2 dots and write 45. So it is always in AM. Okay, so when the first 2 digits are less than 12, then it is always in AM. Remember this thing, no need to do any other thing, only simply write by giving the dots. Now let's see question number B. So in this question B number 1854 hours, that means it is this first 2 digit is more than 12. That means what you do, you will subtract 1200 hours from here. So 1854 write down like this and subtract 1200 hours like this. Okay, this 4, this 5, then 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, now what? Now that means it is in PM. When you subtract, when it is more than 12, then that means it is PM. So write 6 give the 2 dots 54, it is PM. Okay, whatever answer you get, after this give 2 dots after this digit and give the PM. Okay, so that means when this first two digits is more than 12, we have to subtract by 1200 and it is always in PM. Okay, now let's see question number C. Here it is given 23, that means it is more than 12, that means you will subtract it by 1200 and it will come in PM. So it is 3, 2, 3 minus 2, 1 and 2 minus 1, 1. That means it is 11 dot 23 PM. Okay, it is at night. So this is the way of doing the question. Let's take question number E. Here you can see the first two digits are less than 12. That means it is what? AM. Okay, no need to do the subtraction with 1200. So simply write 7, give 2 dots, 56 AM. So it is very simple. Okay, understood? So your homework is to do this D number, F number. Okay. So this word problem, question number 3. Tina looked at her ticket which read the time 1850 hours. What time was in 12-hour clock? So you have to convert these hours into 12-hour clock. So let's see. So in the question it is given the time of Tina's ticket, it is given in hours, and in the question it is asked what is the time in 12-hour clock. So it is the same thing like the previous questions you have solved. So you have to convert these hours in 24-hour clock into 12-hour clock. So to convert it, what I told you, you have to see these first two digits. If it is more than 12, that means it is in PM and you have to minus by 1200. So write 1850 and minus 1200. So minus is 0, then 5, 8 minus 2 6. That means it is in PM and you will write this time like this 6.50 PM. Okay, so this is the answer of this question, only to convert. Now B number, Meena came back from home from school at 1 PM. Okay, what was the it by 24-hour clock? Now you have to convert this 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. So here you can see it, Meena come back home from school at 1 PM. So in 24-hour clock, what will be the time? So I told you the rule that when the time is in PM, then you have to add 1200 with this number. So how to add 1200? So simply write this number in 4 digits without using the dots, 0100, and add 1200 here. So 0, 0, this 3 and 1. So the answer is what? 1300 hours. So in this way you have to convert 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock. Understood? Now the next question, C number, is Tarun reached the airport at midnight. What was the time by the airport clock? So he reached at airport at midnight. Midnight means what? 12 o'clock at night, midnight. So what is the time in the airport clock? So in the airport, what is the clock? 24-hour clock is given. So what is the answer? It will be what? 0000 hours in 24 hours clock. So this is the answer of this question. Okay. So in this way, this exercise 10.3 is complete, and do rest of the questions which I have given in homework. Okay. Thank you.